Come on, I'll tell you how to do it.
To start the activity, these are the things that we need. Straws of different colors. I only have green, but you can use various colors. A pair of scissors, glue, and definitely your page number 14. So, we'll start by cutting our straws into different sizes. You can use different color straws to decorate your Christmas tree. I only have green, so I am using only green color. I am done cutting my straws. And now I'll start with the activity. I'll apply some glue on my Christmas tree and will paste my straws according to the requirement. So for the top, we need a very small piece of straw. So I am cutting a very small piece and I will be sticking it. Moving on to the next part, we need a bigger straw for this one and then bigger than the second one. Same way, keep sticking your straws, forming a Christmas tree. If you want different colored straws and you don't have them, you can definitely color your straws and use them. With this, I am done with my Christmas tree. And see how easy it was to paste the straws. I hope you enjoyed the activity and now you have to complete all of these by yourself.
Wow, such an amazing activity. I thoroughly enjoyed doing this activity and I hope you also enjoyed sticking these cute little straws and forming a Christmas tree. Now it's homework time. You have to prepare at least 2 new pictures other than Christmas tree with the help of straws. You can definitely use colors and different sketch pens to enhance your picture. I'll see you in the next class. Till then, happy learning and bye-bye.